Alright guys, I'm back. I've actually been moving into a new place for the past couple weeks. I haven't really had any time to make any videos because of that. And I've actually made a Discord here to keep you guys updated, just in case something like this does happen again. I can still kind of post without having to make YouTube videos. And I will include the link to the Discord in the description below. So with that being said, let's head down to the charts. Taking a look at Smooth Love Potion on the daily, you can see the downtrend is still at play, indicated by this red line. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see that we're pretty much in a bear flag for the most part. A lot of coins are kind of looking like this at the moment. Typically when you have a move down and a sideways or a very small uptrending move after the move down, this is a consolidation before a continuation of this pattern, aka a bear flag. If you turn on the Ichimoku cloud and the EMA ribbon, you can see we have yet to test the EMA ribbon. We came very close here, and generally, especially on the daily chart, we rarely ever break this to the upside on the first test of it. So really we could find a move all the way to the top of the EMA ribbon before we find a rejection, or even all the way at the bottom. We'll just have to see what plays out. Hop down on the 4 hourly, you can see we're getting squeezed between the EMA ribbon as well as the Ichimoku cloud. It's actually a decent sign that we're not seeing lower moves from the Ichimoku cloud rejections here. We're still getting rejections, but generally when we don't see a lower low from this, it means that the trend is slowing down. So this is really the only thing that Smooth Love Potion has going for it. The hourly is not giving us much insight as to be expected, especially compared with other coins. The hourly chart really isn't saying much. You can see here we've been kind of flip-flopping between being above the Ichimoku cloud and the EMA ribbon and below it. Take a look at the SLP issuance. You can see it's still pretty bad. Nothing really has changed. So again, until they can fix this, it's likely just going to keep bleeding off. So to sum things up here, it's really not looking great, especially if the rest of the market continues to tank and we go into the recession that everyone's talking about. It could very well drag this with it. So if we manage to break this previous low right here, which is likely where the 1618 is supposed to be, but sometimes things don't line up very well. So really, probably anywhere between this range of the 1618 as well as this low here, which is anywhere from 003 all the way up to 004. If we break this to the downside, we'll likely see a move to the 2618, which is sitting around 0.0007. If we do manage to hold this line and close the EMA ribbon up here, break above it to the upside, our next stop will likely be the previous low back here, which is sitting at the 1 level on the Fibonacci retracement. This previous low is at 0087. So we could very well see something like this where we have a retest of it and then a further move down. And ultimately, we need to start breaking some of these previous highs here, as well as this downtrending level as resistance. You can also see we have some boxes resistance above us. So really, we need to start breaking some of these areas to the upside, so that way we can see somewhat of a new uptrend forming. So this is all I have for Smooth Love Potion today. If you enjoyed this video, go hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go and do so. If you'd like to join the Discord, the link is in the description below. As always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.